So these sessions today, we've had Foilco coming in and they've been talking us through some interesting analog print processes, and I think I found it really sort of beneficial to look at the more physical sides of print rather than just the digital sides.
So we're here today running a toner foil workshop at Teesside University, introducing to the students a range of different foiling techniques, but the main one being toner foiling, and trying to highlight the accessibility of the process in hand. I think introducing techniques like foiling to students at an early stage in their career is really beneficial to them because they can take it into commercial practice, or they could use it outside of commercial opportunities as well. But I think for the students today, they can see the value in being able to explore new techniques and ways to enhance their skill set.
So having industry professionals coming in, it's really beneficial to our design process that we present in our sketchbooks for the modules. So personally for me, I've found it really beneficial when we've had these guest speakers come in from the industry. It's made me think more about different aspects of graphic design. It's maybe introduced me into the different elements, and that has made me consider where I want to go after I've achieved my degree, what kind of avenue I want to take my graphic design degree into.